Hi everyone and welcome to the Design Your Life workshop in English in Zurich, happening in 2 weeks. I just thought I was gonna say hi. It's this Thursday the 6th of June. I'm here standing on the roof terrace of the Toni Areal, which is the University of the Arts, and also the place where we're gonna meet for our workshop. And I'm looking very much forward to be working with you. And this is just to say hi, and you're gonna get an email with some preparation work, and it would be great if you can take a little bit of time to go through the preparation work. So we're gonna use actually the input also within class, and we also had a class in German already in May, which was really cool, and I'm really happy to be working with you as well. And also we will be having the workshop on Thursday and Friday. And if you can, I would really recommend that you don't have too many plans on Thursday evening, because we were told by participants that the things we were working on during the day, they were actually also working on this later on in their heads and their minds in the evening. So they even said that it was good to not have plans on Thursday night, and then also have more thoughts and then continue on Friday. Okay, and with that, I wish you a great time. Enjoy the next 2 weeks and have a look at the preparation tasks. And I'm looking forward to be working with you in 2 weeks. If there are any other questions, let me know by email. And today is a bit cloudy. I hope that we can have some more sunshine in 2 weeks' time, and then also enjoy our lunch breaks and maybe even do parts of the workshop on this great big rooftop terrace. All right, that's it for now. Have a good time and see you in 2 weeks. Bye.